So we're back for our final episode. We've put the front wheel on out of the crate. We tested the brakes, everything's good. We tightened the fender down. We ran the line like it's supposed to, everything's good. We've taken the back wheel, everything's on, the shock's on, everything's on. Let's pump the brake, make sure everything works. We've adjusted the chain now. Chain's adjusted, so it's a little bit tight right now, but as soon as you go for your first ride, it's going to loosen right up. The shock bolt, we will go ahead and tighten that up. If you want to use your mirrors, these are your mirrors. Comes with these little lock bolts, or whatever you want to call them, little spacers. So what you do is you screw that all the way up. You screw it in here, and when it tightens all the way down, you can get that like that, okay? So if you want to spin it around, and then you could tighten this down and tighten it down. So we'll go to this side, same thing, move it all the way up, tighten it down, spin it around, pretty easy. We'll take, looks like a 13 or 14, we'll see which one it is. It's a 14 mil, so let's go around a couple more times. About right here. Then you're going to go ahead and crank this down. Tighten your mirror down. Okay? This goes up there like that. This goes down there like that. Same thing over here. We'll crank this down. That's tight. Shove that down. Shove that over. Screw it in there. Screw it in there. Now you have your mirrors on. We connected the battery up. The battery's all connected up inside. We got everything hooked up, ready to go. So we'll show you. We put some fuel in it already. Barely put any in, so it's not going to show any on the gauges. There's your high beam, low beam. Your pass light, which activates your high beam. Your horn. Your left turn signal. Your right turn signal. Everything in the back works. Show them. Everything in the back works. Okay, so this little button right here, this will turn out your tail light. This will do a runner right there, and then the very far one keeps everything on. So off, the brake light comes on, but the tail light's off, and everything's off. I always keep it all the way to the left. I don't know what this off is for, but just keep everything to the left. All your brake lights, everything works. So let's go ahead and here's your choke. If you need the choke on, you'll pull it down, and that's completely off. So there's a little arrow. It comes down, and this is off. If you come over here, Mike, I'm going to show you on this petcock on this side. If you leave this down, that's the fuel that's on. It's down. An easy way to check to see if your carburetor's getting fuel is this hose right here. There's a little Phillips head screw. You can loosen that, and gas will come out of here. If you loosen this, and there's no gas coming out of here, that means there's no gas in the float bowl. You don't either have enough fuel in the tank, or this is maybe off like that, and you don't have it correct. So put this on, gas will come flying out of here. You know you got fuel. Make sure this is tight. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. No choke. We'll just go ahead and hit the button. There it is. I'll adjust the idle and everything once it warms up. But that's pretty much it right there. She's all done.
Hit the brake.
So we're going to hit the brake.
All right, rev it up.
That's it. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Mr. Mike Mouth. And I'll have some more how-tos on this bike. Also, hit up Pete at Chronic Racing, and he will hook you up with one of these bad boys right here. All right, thank you.